Just purchased your first electric vehicle? Congratulations! Do you want to install an in-home charging station? Are you looking for the best electric vehicle charging station installers? Here are some questions and answers to help. What does EVSE stand for? And why do I need a unit for my electric vehicle? EVSE stands for Electric Vehicle Supply Equipment. The actual charging equipment is built into the car. The EVSE provides a safe supply of electricity to your vehicle. Should I call a certified electrician, or can I install the EVSE myself? Are you really qualified? You just spent thousands of dollars on the purchase of your new electric vehicle. Do you want to burn it or your house up? Of course not. So, call a professional. Look for more tips, questions and answers in our upcoming videos. Check out the link below. Contact us for the best, affordable electric vehicle charging station installation. Call now, 770-220-7810 or https://atlanta.gatechargerinstallers.com/.